Hello everybody, it's Edwin here from the Cutting Room Creative in Nanaimo, British Columbia, Canada. Today we're going to be working with my lovely model Michelle, and we're going to be doing a little bit of styling out of her lovely waves, and we're going to be using KMS STYLECOLOR to emphasize the highs of the waves and then the lows of the waves. We shampooed Michelle's hair with the COLORVITALITY Shampoo and then finished with the COLORVITALITY Conditioner. We blow dried Michelle's hair with the ADDVOLUME Styling Foam, and then we went through with a curling iron with the THERMASHAPE 2-in-1 spray. And that gets us to where we are right now. We just did a very loose, nice wave on her hair. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and we're going to start combing this out into the waves. And then once we get those waves starting to happen, we're going to pin them in. Iced concrete, and we're going to emphasize tops of our ridges. So it's creating a shine line right along the top of the wave. Frosted brown, and then on the inside of our waves, we want to darken that a bit. We want to add dimension. You can really see now the waves accentuated with the two different tonalities of color. And that's our finished classic waves on Michelle. You can see the iced concrete giving it the shine on the highs of the wave, and the mocha giving it the depth on the lows of the wave. So yeah, give that a try next time you put some curls and wave into your hair. And take that off. And I hope you've enjoyed our video. Thank you all so much.